So the reason why I record helicopters is because they weren't always here up at my residence. The helicopters are here because of the chemtrails. And the chemtrails can be moved just like the natives would do the rain dance, people. And they've seen me moving them, and since then they've been following me. They've been following me for a long time. And it's the helicopters, some of the buzzing planes, like the white ones with the blue crosses on the wings, and the chemtrail plane. Okay, bye.